Afternoon all. If I play one or two 5-minute games in the ICC. I hope you check out livestream.com/KingsCrusher. I've been doing a few live stream videos there, so that's good for interactive videos like coaching and stuff. But I put some other Blitz matches as well from ChessCube actually there, if you want to check out. Because it's also quicker to upload them. There isn't a separate upload after, so I've done a few there. Okay, but for the main, I'll be just carrying on as usual on YouTube. But check out the live stream as well. There's a 50 limit. I want to sort of build up a library to get a 50 viewer limit raised on live stream. Okay, so what's going on here? On my king side, am I getting hacked? I'll play g4. Maybe exchange off the dark square bishop here, if I can. It looks a bit worrying actually, this position. Maybe rook c3 is coming in, so I need to play b3. I'll try b3. There's no e5 here, so I'm hoping I can continue with h5. If I can continue with h5 and then take and then hope for the best. I can't see anything concrete at the moment to attack. So c3 is slightly vulnerable. It's b5, b4. Maybe I could take with bishop b5 with b5. That's rook c3 then. So I leave the pawn to come to b4. Possibly. Okay. Knight b5 if I want it. Try and win the a7 pawn, which doesn't seem in the spirit of the position at all. On the other hand, it would rule out a6 and b5. Mind you, knight b5, queen b8. So I'm going to carry on maybe with just h5. Hoping it's not a tactical disaster. Oops, which it might be. Oh dear, this looks bad. So if I take, then bishop d4 and queen c3. If knight takes, then bishop d4 and queen c2. But what happens after that? I'm going to go for that. I'm hoping that nothing major happens there, but I could be wrong. In this position, what's the major disaster lurking? Can I get to play bishop c4 or bishop b5? Bishop c4. Ooh, bishop d3. Bishop d3 just hitting the queen. He's going to carry on aggressively with bishop b3 here, threatening mate. Take. He's pinning my king a bit. In that position, after queen b3, maybe rook h2. So I can play rook a2 on queen a4 check, or rook c6 to a6. I can play rook c6. I can play rook a2 right there. So bishop b3 might be the continuation here. Otherwise, I'm a piece up here. Bishop d3. Okay, I think bishop d3 here. Evict the queen. Evict the queen. Then the rook will be protecting the d1 rook. I don't need the queen to protect the d1 rook. I think that's safe enough. I don't. a4, maybe b4. I don't need to have the a file rip open against me. Also, I wonder about, once the queen's evicted, just hg first before doing anything else. So hg here. I'm threatening g takes anyway, and h8, so that has to be done. What about a rook sack here? Rook takes, then knight g5 to e6. That looks pretty tasty actually. A rook sack. Threatening mate. It's a quick way of getting an attack. Oh, he's resigned here. Oh, that was something scary looking about this position. Accelerated sort of dragon, Sicilian dragon transposition, but with knight d4 and bishop e6. Now this, something was up with black's play here. Maybe a bit too many wasted queen maneuvers. This was certainly unsound, it seems. If takes, then yeah, I can see the point, bishop d4 and queen c3, but just allowing that check on c2. This is something which happened, I remember in a Nesmetanov game he allowed queen c2. If it's not fatal, it's worth checking out this position. So bishop b3 is a critical test, AB, and I won the queen b3, rook h2. So if rook c6, there'll be rook a2, but he didn't do that. I'm going to evict the queen now, connecting the rooks, and then get on with my own attack finally. Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks very much.